Getting rid of the annoying emails that get past the spam filter. That's today's topic for Tech Tip Tuesday. So the spam filter's okay. It does a pretty good job, but there are other emails that come through on a regular basis, and sometimes, they can be quite annoying, right? And so what we're going to look at today is a quick way to just make them go away so that you don't see them in your inbox. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one of the emails that I'm looking for, and here I get all these from LinkedIn, and they just come and I just get, anytime somebody looks at your profile or whatever it is, LinkedIn sends you an email. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. I'm going to click these three dots where it says more. And then I'm going to select filter messages like this. So here I have different parameters I want to set. So if I want to put it, these are emails that are going to a specific person, or there's a specific subject header. Maybe there's a particular phrase. However I want this to filter, that's what I would put in here. But for this, I'm just going to use this email address because it consistently comes from this particular email address. And then I'm going to click Create Filter. Now, once I've clicked this, then I get to choose what do I want to happen whenever something matches the criteria I just set up. So I have a lot of different options here, but the two we'll probably deal with in this particular instance is either skip the inbox and archive it. And what this does is it keeps it from showing up in your inbox, but the email does exist. So if you ever did a search, it would still pop up. So that way it's not deleted, but it wouldn't be seen in your inbox. And then the other that you could do is just delete it. Either one is fine. It just depends on what you want. I prefer to do skip the inbox and archive unless it's something I know I absolutely can live without. So once I select that, then I can hit Create Filter. And now, anytime I get an email from LinkedIn, it will go straight into my archive and will not show up in my inbox. Thank you for watching, and join us again next week for Tech Tip Tuesday.